Find the nth occurrence of substring in a string. This seems like it should be pretty trivial, but I am new at Python and want to do it the most Pythonic way. I want to find the index corresponding to the nth occurrence of a substring within a string. There's got to be something equivalent to what I want to do, which is mstring.find substring second. How can you achieve this in Python?
Mark's iterative approach would be the usual way, I think. Here's an alternative with string splitting, which can often be useful for finding related processes. And here's a quick, and somewhat dirty, in that you have to choose some chaff that can't match the needle, one-liner.
Understanding that regex is not always the best solution, I'd probably use one here.
Here's a more Pythonic version of the straightforward iterative solution. Example. If you want to find the nth overlapping occurrence of needle, you can increment by 1 instead of len needle, like this. Example. This is easier to read than Mark's version, and it doesn't require the extra memory of the splitting version or importing regular expression module. It also adheres to a few of the rules in the Zen of Python, unlike the various reapproaches. Simple is better than complex. Flat is better than nested. Readability counts.
This will find the second occurrence of substring in string. Edit. I haven't thought much about the performance, but a quick recursion can help with finding the nth occurrence.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.